everyone, I'm Giampaolo, your consultant for Big Kaiser products. Today, I would like our EWN fine boring head to explain to you how it can guarantee precision boring for a lifetime. EWN, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Hello everyone. How can I guarantee precise bores over a long period of time? Additionally to the locking system we looked at last time, this is the reason. The thread of my tool carrier is precisely ground and play-free fitted with my counterpart. This assures a very precise and direct adjustment of the tool carrier over many years. Unbelievable, right? Now you understand why I'm so precise. Would you like to see for yourself what I am capable of? Call a Big Kaiser colleague and we will be right with you. Stay tuned, see you soon.
Thank you, EWN, well said. If you would like to know more about our products or try them yourself, just contact us anytime.